I've been wanting to make some microwave egg bites. I found this at Walmart. I cannot wait to make these. Let's get started. All right, they support half so you can have enough room. I think I might have some egg left. No, that's good. 4. Okay, set the timer for 3 minutes. Let's put it in the microwave. Put that top over there. Let's put our Joey mold in there. Let's close it. So this is the 4 of them that came out. I already took a bite. It's good. It's delicious. Sure is. And here is, it comes out clean out of the mold. Microwave Joey egg bite for breakfast.